Hello learners, NIOS welcomes you to Painting Subject Video Series. This is lesson number 16, Drawing and Painting with Dry Medium, part number 4. Now, let us discuss the summary and questions and answers. What have we learnt? We will share some important points from this lesson. Painting with dry media requires no water. Dry painting or painting with dry media, it uses easily available colors in powdered form, and these are available at home. So, things like flour, atta, rice flour, turmeric, vermilion, that is sindoor, these kind of things are used to create designs on flat horizontal surfaces generally connected with rituals in festivals. So, whenever there is a festival, before that you would design these beautiful artworks. In India specifically, Rangoli is the most popular form of dry painting. The charcoal stick is commonly used for quick on the spot sketching. The charcoal stick art needs to be fixed with a color fixer because of the residue, the dusty residues, or sometimes the smudging which happens on the artwork. A color fixer is similar to a thinner or a whitener kind of an element which is used to fix the charcoal art. Pastel techniques are known to be challenging. Reason being, when you use oil color, watercolor, you do have a palette. You can use a palette to ensure that you put more water or less water, more color. But when you use pastel colors, you work directly on the surface, it is blended directly, the medium is mixed, the process is different. Hence, the challenge of working in pastel techniques is a little more. Questions. Question number 1, when and where is puja chalk or puja ka chalk made with dry colors available at home? Question 2, how would you prepare dry colors for a puja ka chalk? Question number 3, what do you understand by the term dry colors available at home? Question number 4, what are the different forms of decorations with dry colors called in different states of India? Question number 5, what are dry colors mixed with? Answer. Answer number 1, puja ka chalk is painted as an offering to goddess Lakshmi for her blessings. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth, and the time is Diwali time, that is when it is made. Answer number 2, the dry colors are made using colored rice, different kind of lentils, then you have colored flour, flower petals and leaves, turmeric powder, then vermilion or sindoor, naturally colored sand, naturally colored sand could be available at various places like the river banks. Then you have crushed gypsum, yellow ochre, red sandstone, charcoal, or powdered roots as well as bark. These are the various things. Answer number 3, the colors are prepared from ingredients available at home, for example, turmeric, atta or flour. These are the various things which are used as colors. So, you do not necessarily have to buy things at home, don't necessarily have to buy things from the market. There are a lot of items available at home which can be used as colors. Answer number 4, decorations and paintings with dry colors in various states of India have different kind of names. So, in Rajasthan it is known as MANDANA, Mandana. In Chhattisgarh and UP, this decoration is known as Chowk Purna. In West Bengal, this same decorations are known as Alpona, and then in Uttarakhand and Bihar are known as Aripana. So, these are the various names of the decorations with dry medium or dry colors in various states of India. Answer number 5, dry colors are mixed with rice flour. Questions related to the second painting. Question number 1, who was Dora Maar? Question number 2, what is the medium of the portrait Dora Maar? Question number 3, who was Pablo Picasso? Question number 4, what characterized a Picasso painting? Question number 5, what is Cubism? Answers. Answer number 1, Dora Maar was Picasso's muse and lover. Muse means a source of inspiration. Pablo Picasso was really inspired by the temperamental and sophisticated Dora Maar. Dora Maar was a photographer, a poet, as well as intellectual in her own right. Answer number 2, the painting Dora Maar has been done in colored pencil. Answer number 3, Pablo Picasso was a Spanish painter. Answer number 4, Pablo Picasso's speciality was his cubist works, that was characteristic of his work where he provided multiple viewpoints instead of one. Answer number 5, Cubism is a style of art in which instead of one viewpoint, the artist breaks, analyzes and reassembles the subject and depicts multitude of viewpoints to represent the subject in a greater context, and that is the meaning of Cubism. Questions for the third painting. Question number 1, which woods are used for making high quality charcoal? Question number 2, what are the precautions to be taken while working in charcoal? Question number 3, write 5 sentences about charcoal stick. Question number 4, how has Paritosh Sen tried to depict the girl? Question number 5, what does the kid's posture suggest? Answers. Answer number 1, high quality charcoal sticks are made using grapevine, or bamboo. Answer number 2, charcoal and the precautions to be taken. Charcoal leaves a dusty residue which can ruin the work. To protect the work and avoid smudging, the artist must keep his hand a little above the work surface. And these are the kind of precautions you need to take. Answer number 3, the 5 points about charcoal stick. Charcoal sticks are an ancient medium of painting. Charcoal sticks are made by burning sticks or vines, grapevine, bamboo and these kind of items in a kiln without air. Third point, charcoal pencils are thin sticks of charcoal wrapped with a layer of wood. Point number 4, nowadays charcoal sticks are made of fine ground organic materials which are held together by gum or wax. Point number 5, high grade charcoal sticks are made by burning grapevine or bamboo sticks in a kiln without air. Answer number 4, artist Paritosh Sen in his artwork Girl with a Goat has tried to evoke the beauty of nature through the girl by using the leaf motif. The face and the eyes are shaped like leaves, the nose is shaped like a lotus bud, and also the hands and arms look like blossoming buds, and trunks of a tree. The artist has tried to evoke the beauty of nature. Answer number 5. The kid's posture shows security and comfort in the arms of the girl. The kid is comfortable. Questions related to the fourth painting. Question number 1. What is special about the attire of the riders in the painting? Question number 2. Describe in brief the method of pastel painting. Question number 3. What is the effect of pastel colors? Question number 4. How are pastel colors made? Question number 5. As an artist, what was Degas's specialty? Question number 6. How are pastel colors used? Answers. Answer number 1. The painter has shown the riders wearing different colored attire. All the riders are wearing different type of attires. Answer number 2. A pastel is made by letting the sticks move over an abrasive ground. It could be a sandboard or a canvas. So, the color automatically leaves on the grain of the paper. Answer number 3. The pastel medium is comparatively a newer technique. Pastels also have some techniques which are common with painting, and these are called blending, then scratching, special shade, tinting and shading. So, these are comparatively some common techniques. Answer number 4. Pastel colors give the effect of dry colors, whereas dry colors are intense, pastel would give a subdued effect. But the good part is that pastel colors do not crack or discolor. Answer number 5. The speciality of Edgar Degas was that he was a master of nature study and life study. Answer number 6. Pastel colors are made by mixing fine and pure powdered pigment with a small quantity of glue and wax. These items are bound together to make pastel colors. Terminal exercise. We have chosen a few questions for the students and learners to attempt themselves. Question number 1. Which woods are used for making high quality charcoal? Question number 2. What are the precautions to be taken while working in charcoal? Question number 3. Write a note about charcoal stick. Question number 4. What does the girl's posture suggest? Explain. Question number 5. What does the kid's posture suggest? Explain. I hope you enjoyed watching part 4. If you have any queries, you can email us at signlanguage@nios.ac.in. For more information, you may visit our website www.nios.ac.in. Thank you.